Every morning, a question comes to my mind as to what to make for evening snacks for my daughter. When my daughter returns from school, she's very hungry and I like to give her healthy snacks. So today I have made this delicious dry fruit ladoos, also known as dry fruit energy balls. These dry fruit ladoos are made without sugar, without jaggery, without oil and without any artificial colors or flavors. So you can also call this as high protein energy balls. So come on, let's try this out.
Let's see the ingredients. We need peanuts, sesame seeds, grated coconut, dates which are de-seeded. I have used Chia dates, cardamom pods, almonds, pistachios, pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, chia seeds, a pinch of salt and little ghee for greasing hands. Let's get started. Roast the peanuts with their peel. Transfer to a plate and set aside to cool. Dry roast grated coconut till it turns golden brown. You'll notice a lovely aroma filling the kitchen. That's when you know it's ready. Transfer to another plate and set aside to cool. In the same pan, add sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds, almonds and pistachios. Roast nicely until fragrant. You'll notice the almonds start to crack open while flax seeds and sesame will begin to pop. That's when you know they are done. Let everything cool completely. While the roasted ingredients are cooling, let's get our dates ready. Add the de-seeded dates to a mixer jar and make a puree, rich and sticky and naturally sweet. That is what will bind our laddus beautifully without any added sugar. Crush the cardamom pods. Peel and make a fine powder. Freshly crushed cardamom adds such a beautiful aroma and flavor to our laddus. It really ties all the ingredients together. Transfer to a small bowl and keep it aside. Now add the roasted peanuts to a mixer jar. Grind them to a fine powder. Transfer it to a large mixing bowl. This will be the base of our laddus. Next, add the roasted seeds and nuts along with cardamom powder and a pinch of salt to the mixer. Grind them to a coarse powder. Then combine it with the peanut powder in the same bowl. Now add the roasted dry coconut to the mixer, grind it to a fine powder and transfer to the same bowl with the other ingredients. Finally, add the dates puree to the bowl and mix everything together until it combines into a soft sticky mixture. Grease your hands with a little ghee. Take small portions of the mixture and roll them into laddus or energy balls, ready to enjoy. These laddus aren't just healthy, they are fun to make too. A perfect activity with kids or family. Making laddus at home feels so special, doesn't it? Every ball is packed with goodness and love. And that's it. Sweet, nutty and packed with energy. Your dry fruit laddus or dry fruit energy balls are ready to enjoy.
I'm sure you'll like this recipe. So if you like this recipe, do like the video, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you never miss any recipes.